So today I am going to be sewing this popcorn bucket fabric in honor of the movie theaters reopening. I've missed it so much. I'm so excited. This fabric is a cotton lycra or cotton spandex, so it's 95% cotton, 5% spandex, lycra, or elastane depending on what country you're in. This fabric is from Pink Zeppelin. So if you're not familiar with knit fabric or fabric in general, cotton lycra is a knit fabric, so that means that it's stretchy. And cotton spandex has a four-way stretch, which means that it stretches not just side to side, but it also stretches up and down as well. There are some knit fabrics that only stretch side to side, but this is a four-way stretch fabric. It has really great recovery, and recovery is basically when you stretch a fabric and it snaps back into place or very close to its original form. It has good recovery, which is what you want, especially if you're making something that's tight-fitting, because you don't want it to lose its shape over the course of the day or however long you wear it. Cotton spandex is one of those kind of all-purpose, general use, pretty much good for everything type of knit fabric. It's good for leggings, skirts, pants, dresses, cardigans, t-shirts, tank tops, hoodies, joggers, underwear, bras. You name it, you can pretty much make it with cotton spandex as long as it falls into the guidelines of whatever the pattern says. If you're looking for a four-way stretch, good recovery, knit, medium weight knit, then cotton lycra is definitely what you're going to want, or one of the ones you're going to want. It's kind of a structured knit. It's not as structured as some knits, but it's not as drapey as others. If you want like a drapey, flowy maxi skirt or long pants or a tunic or something like that, I would suggest something else like a bamboo lycra or a double brush polyester, and not a cotton spandex, because it'll be a little bit stiffer, a little bit boxier, and it won't drape as well. We'll talk about those other fabrics in another video, because as I show you the fabrics that I'm going to be working with, I'll talk a little bit about them. We're going to be making a fit and flare skirt or circle dress, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to be using the Mama Adeline from Made for Mermaids. So let's head over to the cutting table. These are my pattern weights. These are actually just glass coasters from my table that I never use as coasters because they're in here all the time, and also washers from the what do you call them things? The hardware store. I just double them up and they work just as well.